Boom. Aha. Well,
We're outside.
it worked. But maybe 1 second delayed. But it worked. Everyone, welcome back. This is drumroll, please. She's doing it good. Thanksgiving special volcano pumpkin experiment.
Yep.
I did this before, but this time I'm with my cousins.
So
You
this is my
probably-
first time doing it, and this is my brother doing weirdo stuff.
This guy been in the channel before, but not in a while now. So how do you like coming back?
I've never been in a Y before.
He's speechless.
I've never been in a Y before, but
And it
this
wasn't.
is so scary.
No, I should be scary. I
But
did
we
it
see
before.
a house right here.
Well, so it's time to do the experiment. And lightning strikes happening behind me. Even as in movies. Yeah.
Back up, Nevaeh.
Okay, now be back. Do you want to do the honors actually?
Yes.
Okay.
So,
Let me take
yeah,
the
we're
lid
taking
off.
that lid off. Now we need the baking
Would
soda.
you like to dump this in there?
Yes.
Wait. You may use the honors.
How much I gotta pour?
Not that much.
Alright, that's probably enough.
Yep, that's probably enough.
And my brother could. Wait, can pour that?
No.
Oh yeah, my brother could do it.
Okay.
Did you want to do it?
Now you back up. Now you get out of the picture. Go, be gone. Be gone, go, shoot. Okay.
Do you wanna do it?
Would you like to do this on? Go. Okay. Here you go. Now, this is what's going to make a volcano do the volcano walk. You see, we got the pumpkin here, and right when you dump it in, everyone back up. And you zoom in, camera. Please. Are you going to do it?
Yeah.
Gonna do it? Everyone back up!
Ah!
Yay!
That is so cool. The wind is starting blowing everybody.
The wind is trying to stop us. Pull in
Yes.
some more! Get your arm a little bit out of the way.
You need to get on more.
Oh,
Oh no, that's good!
That's good, Nevaeh.
wow. Where's some more?
Now ain't that volcano
Wait,
good?
hold on.
Oh gosh! Hey, stop
Wait,
pulling
Nevaeh,
in.
stop,
Okay,
stop,
that's good,
No,
that's
do
good.
it.
Evacuate!
Nevaeh. That's it.
My
That's enough.
okay, that's good. Yep, give me it.
One
You
more.
lost your permissions. Okay, you put.
Whoa! Guys, it is so big. But it's not that big, right?
Yeah.
But it's so freezing cold. Let's go back in the house. Let's go and pour it back in the house.
See ya, playing on camera. Wow. And now that's the. You stepped on my toes, you these.
That's the end of the video.
Yeah.
Bye.
Now we gotta close this up.
Yep.
And wait until we end it. I hope you all did like and enjoy that. Please. No. Go. I already said you out of the picture. Go, shoot, Gabby. Yeah, that's what I thought. You may stay. Be gone. Okay, so I hope you all did like and enjoy that video. If you like to subscribe, that would be nice. She coming. And why not ring a ding that bell button? And after you go to my brand new second channel where I'm moving all my gaming stuff. I'm still keeping all the gaming videos that I did on this channel, but I'm making new ones there. So please go and check out it. Pizza Plays. AP as in Alex Pulley.
And go check out Alex's videos and my brother's. Alright. That's the end of the video.
Whoa! Ouch! Okay, end it.